Powerbox has saved our company money and service work on generators and air compressors, gas, oil. At first it was a great expense, but after the first week that I had it, I knew that it was going to be one of the best things I invested in. And guys, I'm telling you, it's the truth. I've tried to break it. We've hooked a whole job site to this thing, yet to break it. You can see it's rough. This one's used every day. This truck is nicknamed the Tool just because of this power box. Everything's in here to do any job that I want to do. I don't have to go load a generator, go load an air compressor. It'll be the best thing you ever bought. Guys, this has been one of the best investments I've ever had. Even my wife says so. This is my wife, Courtney Rogers.
Of all the truck accessories, I will honestly say this has been the best purchase, and we've purchased many over the years that have been useless, but this is actually worth every single dime that he spent on it. It's a toolbox. That's what I view it as myself when I think about it. It is a toolbox. It's not just a toolbox. It has gotten me out of situations that I hate to admit it. He has come and saved the day. The amount, yes, people may flip out over, oh my goodness. No, truly, honestly, I hate to admit it, but HD made a smart purchase.
Our generator costs $2,900. My air compressor costs $1,600. That's not counting the fuel, the oil. Factor that out with this toolbox. I'm HD Rogers. This is my power box. I've had it for 2 years. I love it. Why can I do all this stuff out in my pasture? Because I can. CIC Powerbox. Wherever you go, go with power.